You good?
Yeah.
All right. So, hey, what's going on, Blink Squad? We are back for another video. As you see, Lauren is back from her world tour. She's been gone quite a few different places this summer. So she's back. She's home with us now, and I decided to let her come and come and do this video with me. So today is Wednesday, and we are doing what, Lauren? What are we doing?
Unboxing.
So a few videos back, I got a subscription to what was it? Bump Box. Yeah, for pregnant women. Now that I have given birth, as many of you know, and yes, don't worry, I will post my birth story eventually. Just look out for that. It's coming. I still got to put it together. I got quite a few clips to get through, and But anyhow, since I given birth, bump boxes then turn into what's called Bitsy boxes, which are actually more for after the baby is born and more items for the baby itself. So today we got our first Bitsy box, and Lauren is going to open it up and show us what we got. So let's go. All right.
Okay, so we open it.
Oh, show the people, show the people.
Okay, so first thing you obviously see is this little cute bath card.
It says, for your Bitsy. It says, splish, splash, Bitsy was taking a bath. You can never have enough bath time goodies. We've packed a bath time box with all of the best essentials for you. Scrub a dub dub.
Oh, and it's for the baby too.
So there's that.
Okay, so first we have Sweetie Pie Organics Organic Lactation Smoothie.
What? How'd they know I need it? Lactation smoothie. What? It's got fenugreek, DHA, and vitamin D3. Interestingly enough, I'm actually taking vitamin D3 still, and I'm still taking my prenatal. So that's awesome.
Next we have Maddie's All Natural Super Berry Immune Support plus vitamin D3, elderberry and zinc.
Apparently, vitamin D3 is very, very necessary because it's also in this, as Lauren said, immune support, elderberry and zinc. There's 60 capsules in there, and it's a dietary supplement. Ooh, all right.
Next, we have this cute Green Sprouts Baby Brush and Comb.
Oh, look at that set, you guys. It's so cute.
Oh, this is just...
Are you struggling? You struggling? You need help? I think Lauren's struggling, y'all. Here, let me help you.
Yeah. Okay.
There you go.
So this is what it looks like. It's bamboo, I think.
It looks like bamboo.
Yeah. I'm going to say it's bamboo or wood, but it's really wooden. It looks wooden. And this is organic or...
natural wood and bristles. Soft bristles for comfort. So yeah, it's for the baby.
And it's very aesthetically pleasing because everything's organic in this box.
Awesome sauce. You guys heard what she said? Aesthetically pleasing.
Next we have another Green Sprout Baby Nail Brush. So it cleans the baby's nails.
Good stuff.
Open it and I'll show you guys what it looks like.
Excuse me. Ooh.
Alright, this is what it looks like. So I guess you can just that.
So for the times when baby gets a little bit of dirt and stuff under the nails, we got a little nail brush.
Okay, so now we have Bakery on Main Whole Grain Bake Shop Bliss Monster Cookie.
Decadent granola. Granola is actually very good. I've heard in helping with keeping up your milk supply. So this would be a good little snack for me.
Okay, guys, this is really cute, but we have
and another book to add to her library.
It says Time for a Bath by
Yay.
Phyllis Gorshader.
And another book to add to her library. It's Time for a Bath.
No matter the season, whatever the reason, rub-a-dub-dub, splish and splash. What time is it? Time for a bath.
Yay! So this was a cute little box. Is that all that's in there?
Nope.
Oh no, there's another. There's another item. Of course, you can't take a bath
now
without.
We have a hooded elephant towel. We have a little elephant on the hood, and it's a cute white and blue towel.
And this is actually pretty good because I got a little gift in the mail. Shout out to Mommy in Love. I don't say mother-in-law, I say mom in love. But she got me the little blanket. You guys know the blanket. You put the baby down and it tells you 1 month, 2 months, you know, whatever. She got me a blanket like that with an elephant on it. And I wasn't going to keep it because it's blue. Again, shout out Mommy in Love if you're watching. I'm going to tell why I wasn't going to keep it. Because of the blue, it made me think more of a boy. And as you all know, Jordan's a little girl. However, when I researched the meaning of the elephant, it made me say, nope, I'm keeping it. For those of you who did not know, from the research that I did, elephant symbolizes strength. It symbolizes loyalty. It just symbolizes all things good and positive. So I said, you know what? I love the elephant now. So, hey, hashtag cute gift idea. If you want to give me or maybe someone special and close to you a gift, the elephant is a great representation of some positive things. So there's that. And it just so happens that we got this hooded towel with the elephant on it. So look at that.
Do you have time to read the book?
No, we're not going to read the book. Lauren wants to read the book. We are not going to read the book because we are not trying to make this video any longer than it has to be. You want to tell the folks what we tell them at the end of each video?
Yeah.
What do we say at the end of each video?
And as always, Bling Squad, the journey continues.
I hope you guys heard her. Say it a little bit louder.
As always, Bling Squad, the journey continues.
You guys remember to like and share this video. Make sure if you haven't already, you subscribe to be a part of the Bling Squad. And you hit that notification bell so you know when we upload new videos. Because, as I've said before, Jordan is here and we don't know when we will get to do our videos. I'm trying to stay on schedule, which is every Wednesday and Friday, but I cannot guarantee that. But until next video,
Wow. And thank you, Bum Boxes.
Thank you, Bump Boxes.